Hi guys, welcome to a new amazing fresh video of our channel Cool Gadgets. So if you are visiting us first time, then don't forget to subscribe to us. In today's video we are going to show you top 5 electric bikes which are exploding the market. To know about them, watch the full video and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's start the video. First, the One is just another electric folding bike. We have created the ultimate experience for riders by making an electric bike that is light, compact, durable, flexible and affordable. At only 12.5 kg, the One is currently the lightest folding electric bike on the market. It contains more than 20 patents, is only 25 cm wide when folded, folds in less than 10 seconds and boasts many more cool features. One custom-built 250-watt high-speed hub motor weighs 65% of conventional motor design and at only 2 kg. High-quality materials like our state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery cells and our single-sided fork technology contribute towards this innovative design and its light weight of only 12.5 kg. Batteries are not something you need to see, except when you are charging them. On the One, we have integrated the battery into the seat post to retain its slim frame design. Charging stations are prevalent at. Second, the Babymaker. This one-of-a-kind e-bike combines the best features of both traditional bicycles and electric bikes. Its unparalleled aesthetic and innovative design make for one smooth ride. Say goodbye to the awkward cables and ditch the bulky batteries. It's time to take pride in your ride. With its lightweight frame, concealed battery and attractive details, the Babymaker is ready to go wherever you go. Introducing the Babymaker. The Babymaker is offered in 6 fearlessly bold colors that are sure to turn heads even as you are cruising by at 25 miles per hour. Third, pressed e-bike. Extremely low weight make the Leos a bicycle with excellent handling. It rides like a normal bike without motor support. Very agile, nimble and nippy. The borders have a double function. A design and technical aspect. Pressed frame is pressed from two halves, lasered and then spot welded. The total integration of all components and cables are a trademark of all Leos products. Battery is fully integrated and very attached to the frame. However, it can also be removed very quickly and charged in less than 2 hours. Battery can also be charged quickly. The battery management system is designed so that pressed e-bike becomes a smart bike. Data can be read and managed via an app. Battery is certified and tested. 4. Nirika Prime with the most unique design even for a bicycle and a powerful mid-drive motor. A high-range battery will be going to create memorable experience for you. We have perfected a way to balance fat bike parameters by designing a completely new frame. Prime is a purpose-built carbon fiber mid-drive and smooth e-bike with 4 fat tires and the huge 160nm of torque gives you the confidence to explore any land on the planet Earth and beyond. The mid-drive motor constantly samples relevant information at a frequency of up to 80 kHz via a torque sensor and 2-speed sensor, which are all highly synchronized and sensitive. The torque sensor measures your actual force on the pedals, sampling at 1000 times per second over the entire pedal stroke. Fifth, Smart Circle S1, the world's most compact and lightweight e-bike. Weighing only 15.4 lbs, carbon fiber S1 can be folded in 5 simple steps into a small backpack and carried wherever and whenever. Smart Circle was named as a CES 2018 Innovation Awards honoree in Tech for a Better World product category. The CES Innovation Award is an annual competition on outstanding design and designs in consumer technology products. At only for 15.4 lbs and easily folded up in 5 simple steps, it is perfect for those city commutes too far to walk but too close to drive. Built with high quality materials, the S1 boasts a strong and stylish carbon fiber frame and powerful Samsung battery. The multifunctional small circle trolley bag, perfect for your 1 to 3 day trips. Easily put your travel accessories and a small circle S1 in the backpack. Simply pull it to save energy.
So if you like our video, don't forget to like, comment, share the video and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily updates. Thank you.